Hello everyone! Summer is on the way, just several weeks left before the industry will take a short vacation. But keep in mind that you will always find the latest news in my market updates. So let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Orbray and MIRISE technologies have begun collaborating on vertical diamond power devices that will contribute to carbon neutrality. Over the 3 years period of this project, Orbray and MIRISE technologies will use their respective technologies, resources, and expertise in diamond substrates and power devices to develop the technologies needed to deploy vertical diamond power devices in a wide range of electric vehicles in the future. In this research collaboration, Orbray will be responsible for developing a P-type conductive diamond substrate, while MIRISE Technologies will take charge of developing a high-voltage operating device structure to demonstrate the feasibility of a vertical diamond power device. At the end of this project, the companies are planning to discuss the next stage of collaboration, such as further research and development. Analog Devices announced a new €630 million investment at its European regional headquarters in Ireland. The investment enables the construction of a new state-of-the-art 45,000 square feet research and development and manufacturing facility. The new facility will support Analog Devices' development of next-generation signal processing innovations designed to accelerate the digital transformation of industrial, automotive, healthcare, and other sectors. Coherent and Mitsubishi Electric have signed a memorandum of understanding to collaborate in a program to scale manufacturing of silicon carbide power electronics on 200mm technology platform. The market for electric vehicles is expanding worldwide and is just one of several emerging applications driving the exponential growth in silicon carbide power devices, which have lower energy losses, high operating temperatures, and higher switching speeds compared with power devices based on silicon. The high efficiency of silicon carbide power devices is expected to be a significant contributor to global decarbonization and the green transformation. onsemi announced that Sineng Electric will integrate onsemi Elite 6 silicon carbide MOSFETs and IGBT-based high-density power integrated modules into its utility-scale solar inverter and industry-first 200 kW energy storage system. The two companies work together to develop optimized solutions that maximize the performance of solar inverters, energy storage, and power conversion systems. Power Integrations announced a new single-channel plug-and-play gate driver for IHM and IHV IGBT modules up to 3.3 kW. The new gate driver combines Power Integrations' proven Scale2 switching performance and protection features with a configurable isolated serial output interface, which augments driver programmability and provides comprehensive telemetry reporting for an accurate lifetime estimation. Multiple sensing circuits, including thermal and device and bus condition information, are incorporated, simplifying system design and enhancing observability, control, and reliability. Application areas are rail traction inverters, power grid, and medium voltage drives. The leading global manufacturer of power semiconductors, Infineon Technologies, plans to expand its recruitment in Korea. Infineon Technologies Korea will hire 1.5 times more employees here by 2030, doubling the number of career beginners and hire more mid-career experienced employees. The European chipmaker has decided to expand its operations in Korea because it sees great growth potential in renewable energy markets here and following on its own growth in power chips. The second session of Nexperia's Power Rectifier webinar series will explain the importance of the power rectifier in switching applications, like a DC-DC converter. Nexperia will help you to understand how essential the reverse recovery effect in switching applications is and how rectifier is contributing to the power losses. Therefore, Nexperia will demonstrate and characterize different rectifier like planar and trench Schottky rectifier with a double pulse test relating to performance and system efficiency by investigating switching times and reverse recovery charge. In this webinar, you will learn how to select the best component for your switching application to optimize the design. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me in LinkedIn. Have a great day!